Hey gang, my name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to help you get started with your video making adventure. I'm here today to talk about the basics of starting a successful YouTube channel. Now, these 5 tips will be helpful for anyone who wants to start making videos for their own channel but doesn't know where they should begin. So, where should you begin? Let's start with step number 1. What type of content are you going to create? What interests you? What are you passionate about? What skills do you already have? I highly recommend that you dive deep and spend some time answering these questions, and once you have it narrowed down, then start making videos about it. Decide what you want from your channel and stick with it. Are you looking to help others with something, or are you just creating for fun? You should have a clear idea of what you want from your YouTube channel before making your first video. Step number 2, planning. Plan out the first 10 videos. If you are serious about starting a channel and being consistent with uploading content, it'll help to have a game plan. Start with creating the titles or subjects for each video. From there, you can then outline the essential things you will want to cover in each video. Of course, you don't have to complete all 10 outlines to get started, but I do find it very helpful to use the outline as sort of a roadmap to what your channel will actually look like before you ever hit record. This part of the planning process is super important because it'll help you stay consistent with releasing new videos. Once you have your first 10 videos or so listed out, you can then decide on the frequency of which you will create these videos. Whether you want to create 1 to 2 videos a week or 1 to 2 videos a month, from here you can create a production calendar based on the time you have available to shoot these videos and stick with it. This also helps with staying motivated to continue creating content. It's much easier to stay motivated if you know exactly what you need to do for each video. This will also help to establish the order in which viewers should watch videos on your channel. Step number 3, scripting. Once you have created an in-depth outline for your first couple of videos, I highly recommend writing out an actual script for each video using the key points from your outline. This helps keep your videos short and sweet and ultimately more engaging to your viewers as every word in every sentence has been planned out. I also highly recommend that you sit down in front of the camera and practice. I can't say this enough. This is the one thing you cannot do enough of, especially in the beginning. I would encourage that you read through your script 10 to 20 times, if not more, before you ever hit the record button. This will really help with calming the nerves, especially in the beginning. Over time, you will naturally get better at putting yourself on camera, but trust me, it just takes a little practice. This will also save you hours of editing time because you won't have to try and piece together a 2-minute video out of 2 hours of you talking. Now, if you like where this video is going, it would be so awesome if you could do me a solid and hit that little like button right down here so that I know that I'm on the right track with the content that I'm putting out. Okay, back to it. Step number 4, the shooting location. Decide on a shooting location that is both visually interesting and easy to shoot in. It's nice to have a wide open studio space in which you can create a permanent set, but let's face it, most of us don't really have that kind of space readily available. So using a bedroom or a living room in your house is probably most ideal for most people. You want to make sure you have complete control of the lighting and the sound in this space. This will help create consistency among your other videos and help give you good results every time. I recommend using an area where you can leave your camera, lights, and audio equipment set up so that all you have to do is hit record when you're ready to shoot. Step number 5, physical and mental preparation. Physical and mental preparation is essential before you start filming. I know this may sound a little crazy, and I haven't really seen a whole lot of people talk about this, but keeping yourself physically and mentally strong are key ingredients to creating content consistently. This will not only help you in the video production process, but it will help you in life as well. Starting a YouTube channel is much like starting a business. You have to be your best self to truly excel. Creating quality videos is a lot more work than people think. A video like this usually takes me 2 to 3 days to complete between scripting, planning, shooting, and editing, and finally uploading it to the world. And that's coming from someone who already has a lot of experience with video production. So when setting out to create quality videos, you've got to be focused, you've got to be dedicated, you've got to be consistent, and you've got to be disciplined. Not to mention, you've got to stay motivated to keep on doing it. With that, I highly encourage you to exercise daily, eat right, and sleep well. This may seem simple, but these things have a significant impact on physical and mental health, which will be essential to stay focused while you're filming. In closing, it takes a lot of time and hard work to create quality videos. And I imagine most of you, just like me, will be trying to do this while managing your current jobs and your personal lives. I hope that the tips I've covered in this video will help you create your first set of videos on YouTube. And if all goes well, you'll be able to produce quality videos consistently that will help grow your audience, and ultimately, you'll have a lot of fun doing it. That's it for me. If you haven't already done so, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, subscribe, and you might as well turn on those notifications so that you can stay up to date with my latest content. Until next time, happy shooting.